Here's some unmanned aerial vehicles trivia. Subscribe. Which military used the MQ-1 Predator? Is it A, United States, B, China, C, Russia, or D, NATO? The correct answer is A, United States. What are small unmanned aerial vehicles often referred to as? Is it A, spy gadgets, B, drones, C, quadcopters, or D, remote planes? The correct answer is B, drones. What does the abbreviation UAV stand for? Is it A, unilateral aerial view, B, unmanned aerial vehicle, C, ultra-advanced vehicle, or D, unmanned aircraft vessel? The correct answer is B, unmanned aerial vehicle. Which company is known for the Phantom drone series? Is it A, Autel Robotics, B, Parrot, C, DJI, or D, Unique? The correct answer is CJI. What is a common use for military drones? Is it A, weather forecasting, B, reconnaissance, C, transport supplies, or D, air traffic control? The correct answer is B, reconnaissance. What international agency oversees aviation regulation? Is it A, AAPA, C, NASA, or DICAO? The correct answer is D. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.